today I'm going to be unboxing, it's not really that special, I mean, come on. Just kidding, it is really, really special. Anyway, we're gonna be unboxing the Xbox Series X. Not only is this fairly expensive, but it's also really hard to find. So, we got one, hopefully. Okay, let's just start unboxing this thing. Oh my god. So there's this little like pull tab thing right here. Just pull it. Wow. Holy crap. There we go. Okay, that wasn't too hard. Ooh, wait. Oh, I thought it was gonna flap open, but I don't know how you open this. The other side has a little tab, so I'm gonna do that. Also, I'm not doing like the typical top-down thing as well because, well, this thing is too giant. That's really tough. Okay. Now, how do I open this? Do I lay it like this? Oh, man, that's really heavy. There's more tape at the bottom of it. Okay, that's fair enough, I guess. There we go. Toughest unboxing ever. Here we go. So, do I just lift it up? Ooh. Okay, here we go. Whoa. Oh. Or do I do it the other way? I do it the other way. Oh no. Okay, now the right way. There we go. Okay, so it does look like there's actually an Xbox in here. Power your dreams. Here it is, right here. Oh, wow. That is a lot. That is a lot heavier than I thought it was gonna be. The rest of this stuff, I actually don't know what to do with it. I guess I'll set it right there. Okay, now let's take this stuff out. This is the rest of like the cables and stuff. Now this entire rest of this box, I don't think I need. Okay, now let's open up this thing before we get to the Xbox itself. In here, we have some things. We have the controller right here. If I can open it. There we go. There it is. That is so cool. It doesn't have any batteries in it, but I think there's some batteries in here. Comes with some batteries in here, which I'm probably not going to be using. Maybe I will, I don't know. And then we have two more cables, which is the power cable and the HDMI one, and looks like there's more stuff in there, but I don't know. Ultra high speed. And then just a regular power cable, which is nice because this is the same one used as the other Xboxes, which means that I don't really have to change anything about the power, so I don't even have to use this, but I probably will somewhere. Moving on to the Xbox. Oh my god! This is really heavy. Okay, there's the bottom of it. Oh my god, this thing is huge! Oh my god! Holy crap. I wasn't expecting it to be like, I kind of thought it was gonna be big, but like, what in the world? So here it is. The Xbox Series X. Wow, that is gigantic. Look at the controller compared to that. It's like as wide as the controller, and it's like roughly 3 controllers tall, and controller wide, so it can stand up like this or carefully sit down like this. I'm just gonna see if there's anything else in here before we end the video. There's a paper thing, and I think that's about it. I want to see if it fits where my PlayStation 4 does. No, it does not. Okay, so I'm switching to the camera audio right now, but I just want to show you over here. This is how tall it is, and like the TV is like, TV display starts like right there. So like I can't have it sitting up like this. Let me try to set it on its side, see what it's like. Oh my god. Oh gosh. There we go. That fits. But it's like a big giant box. Yeah. Okay, well that's gonna do it for this unboxing video, amazing unboxing video. If you have any questions or comments about like what you want to see me do with this thing, like see what what the games look like and stuff like that, I will be uploading gaming videos from this thing onto my main channel, Hadenator 9999999. So if you want to see gameplay of that, make sure you watch out for videos, and I'll probably put the Series X in the title of it so you can easily find it. That is gonna do it for this unboxing video. Yet again, that's it.
Okay, bye.